Hi friends, this is Nageshu. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show how to create a table using HTML in web page. This is very much useful whenever we are dealing with the large amount of tabular data. Tables are very useful to display the data so that users easily understand the data. Open web page with the Notepad++. As we know that tables are the formats which contain rows and columns. For creating the tables, we will use table and please add closing tag for the table. In the table, to establish rows, please type tr. In this, to create the column elements, please type th and operating system, and please add closing tag for this. Similarly, I want that network and hardware, and please add closing tag for this. And after this, we need to add closing tag for rows. Now come to file and please save this file. Open HTML web page, and here we got operating system, network and hardware. For inserting data into this column, come to Notepad++ and please type tr, please type td for inserting data. We need to add the closing tag for this, and in network I want to enter internet, and in hardware column I want to show motherboard, and after that we need to add the closing tag for tr. Now come to file and please save this. Again open the HTML web page, and here we got data in all the columns, and I want to add few more data. Simply please copy this and paste it here. Here I want to change Windows 8, and here I want to add printers. Again I want to add few more items. Now come to file and please save this. Again open the HTML web page, and here we got rows and columns in the table, and please notice that column elements will be in the bold letters and data will be in the normal font. Like this we can create table using HTML in web page. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends, and please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.